Snoring. It's more than just the loud, disruptive noise that keeps you awake at night. It's a signal, a call for help from your body, and a challenge to the quality of your sleep. But what if there was a way to tackle snoring at its root, to ensure peaceful, uninterrupted sleep every night? Welcome to the LA Sinus and Snoring Center. Let's explore how advanced treatments are transforming sleep quality.
Snoring is more than just a nuisance. It's a potential health concern. Airflow obstruction during sleep causes throat vibrations, leading to that all too familiar sound.
Understanding the root causes is critical. At the LA Sinus and Snoring Center, we dive deep into your medical history, lifestyle habits, and even your nighttime sleep patterns to pinpoint the problem. Simple lifestyle changes can be your first line of defense. From altering your sleep position to maintaining a healthy weight and reducing alcohol and smoking, small adjustments can reduce snoring severity significantly. Enhance your efforts with at-home remedies like nasal strips or anti-snoring mouthpieces. Strengthening your airway muscles through targeted exercises can greatly reduce snoring.
For those persistent cases, we offer innovative solutions. Our SnoreX procedure, a non-invasive treatment, provides effective relief without the need for traditional surgery.
Solutions like CPAP, palatal implants, and sonoplasty are also available for comprehensive care. If you experience excessive daytime sleepiness or wake up gasping for air, it might be time to seek professional help. The future is bright. With advancements in personalized medicine and technologies, we're committed to staying at the forefront of snoring treatment innovations. Your journey to better sleep and improved health begins today. Contact the LA Sinus and Snoring Center to reclaim your peaceful nights. Visit lasinusandSnoring.com or call us to schedule your consultation. Let's unlock those peaceful nights you've been dreaming about.